Well, good morning. It's February 17th, 2022. I'm waiting at a roofing tile company and decided to get an early start in order to be able to pick up some tile samples for a customer and try and beat rush hour traffic. Although I'm here early, so I thought I would just make the video while I was sitting instead of trying to make a video during rush hour traffic. Um, got out of the house a little bit early, so dog butt tired. Been working the last 2 days with secondary work. Yesterday was a phenomenal day as far as after hour work. Did some additional work for the primary source of income as well as additional work on the secondary source of income, and we are well above our estimated goal as to what it is that we're trying to make. So yesterday I sat down and I did something where, you're like making an affirmation of, I'm a money magnet. And, you just say that and, put out these positive affirmations. And, I sat down and I says, I'm going to be a millionaire by the time I pass. And I was like, why a million? Well, okay, I'm going to be a 10 times a millionaire, $10 million by the time I pass. And I was like, why? Why stop at 10? So, fine. Okay, I'm going to be 100 times a millionaire or $100 million. Okay, that seems achievable. So, that's why our drive and our motivation every morning, every day at work, trying to fight exhaustion and wanting to just go to sleep and take a nap, throughout the day. Um, just leaning back to take a little cat nap or something. And it's like, I got to get up. I got to get this done. And, I want a different lifestyle. I want to be out of debt. I want to stop worrying about money. I want things. I want to experience things. I want to leave things for loved ones, for all of the children and grandchildren. And so, it's like that's the drive, that's the motivation to get off of the couch and continue this process. So right now I'm just fighting technology. I wish that I had a super fast computer and printer that when I said I wanted something done, bam, there's the output, there's the information, because I have all the stuff there. But now it's, highlight, click, send to the printer, wait, let it process, and it's slow. But I am seeing the value of that, because as I'm seeing each section broke down, it's like this doesn't belong in this section. It belongs in a different section, and that's all part of the melting down process. And it's a good thing, because what we want is this once invested document to not only inspire as to why it is that we're doing this and why it is that other generations should take this and run with it, but this this will have an easy flow and then have action items and then have proof that the action that we've taken works. And that's the ultimate goal. And so I am seeing, like I said, some of these sections need to be moved around into more of an action type section. And that's a good thing. So we will continue that process. I think I'm up to chapter 6 and starting on chapter 7, I believe. I forgot some clips at home to bring. I need to, I guess, start writing down the tasks and stuff that I need to do, because I'm just so focused on getting out the door that I'm forgetting some of the things that I want to do. And then all of a sudden it hits me right in the noggin, and all of a sudden I recognize that I did not do what I wanted to do. So I know you've experienced that, and as you get older, you start picking up things, moving them, dropping them, saying, oh, there's something else I need to go do, and all you're doing is shifting things around in this vicious circle. It's quite a hilarious manifestation of getting old. And You will experience it, and you'll wonder, why didn't I just complete this task and go back to go get something else to go complete it, but rather you take it and you move it 2/3 of the way and stop. So I look forward to the day that I can afford to have somebody that I can just ask them to go do something, and then that's what they're tasked to go do, and pay them a salary and just start getting this stuff done, and completed on demand. So it'll be nice to be at the point where you're paying somebody to come and do the landscaping, or you're paying somebody to come in and do the cleaning around the house, etc., etc. So right now we're piling up cash, like I said, inside the brokerage account and working on the document. Things are melting down nicely, and we're ultimately getting to that point where we can actually test some of this stuff. I know some of the steps, the fundamentals, for instance, are a lot drier and a lot more mundane to try and accomplish than doing technical stuff where you're actively drawing lines, etc., etc., and it's very easy to see. You're really just confirming the stuff that you already know, whereas doing fundamentals is more of a financial accounting, dry, dull, boring. So it's like, how can I make this a little bit more exciting? So, all right, I'm going to end this. I just wanted to make a quick video while I was parked waiting for this place to open up and see if I can get these samples, early. Hopefully your day is going well. Hopefully you're gainfully employed, having an abundance of cash, and making the right choices in your life. I know Brianna's on track for that. I know Christina has dreams, goals, and desires to get herself into a house and get more space. She's got a new job. That's a good thing. She's working with Southwest Airlines. Hopefully Brianna will give her some growing room to be able to prove that she's worthy to work at Southwest, and not squash her with her fears that Christina will overstep her position, or give the Edgel name a bad name within Southwest Airlines. But right now that means that I've got two individuals that can help me to travel. Not that I am right now, but it's nice to know that I qualify for two positions now. But it means that Christina and Mookie and the grandkids now have the ability to go travel at a price of free, and go see the world, experience life, etc., etc. So that'll be a lot of fun. It'll allow Brianna to get out as well and be a good aunt, to her nieces and nephews. So, all right, I'm going to let you go. I love you all. I hope you have a great day, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.